Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Passionate Kelsey and welcome back to another very passionate vlog. We're gonna be doing the normal stuff. I have orders to make. I want to make those orders. I want to pack those orders. I want to ship those orders. Probably like eat some food or something. Let's see. Happy May everyone. New month. It's like spring, right? It's not summer yet. Right now on my list we have 15 open orders. One of them is done. It is the cardigan that we made recently, and the other ones contain multiple items. Okay, let's see. All right, we have about 5 custom top orders that we need to make. We have 2 bags that we need to make, lots of scrunchies. That's pretty much like the gist. Right now we have plans. We are gonna go to Walmart. We have to do some grocery shopping. While I'm there though, I do want to check and see if they have the granny square yarn, the granny all-in-one square yarn from Red Heart, because I heard they started selling it at Walmart. So I want to see if they have some colors that I don't have, because honestly I have been enjoying making the granny square bags recently, so I want to make more of them. Even though I still have probably 4 or 5 skeins of that yarn, I want to get different colors. Okay, so I'm just calm down. We're also probably gonna get some lunch while we're out. I mean, it's lunchtime and we're both hungry, so that's definitely on the plan. In the plan, on the plan, on the agenda. I can speak words. Let's go. Tell me your Subway order. As of right now, I'm not seeing it. Boo. Alright guys, well, we're back, so let's get to work. The first order that we need to work on is 3 custom tops. We have a small black ruffle top, a small black sneak a peek top, and a small black lily top. So we have to make all 3 of those, and they also bought one of my pre-made crop tops as well. So yeah, basically I'm gonna be working on that. Let me grab a cone of black cotton. Here we are. First cone from our bulk order of 12. Should we go like hardest to easiest? In order of like how fast they're gonna be, the ruffle top will take the longest, and then the sneak peek top, and then the lily top. So I think I'll start with the ruffle top. Yeah, they're all size small, so they shouldn't take like long in general. Yarn, hook, scissors, needle, and I'm gonna go watch Delicious in Dungeon. Great anime. Hey there. This is how much of the ruffle top I have done. No ruffles, clearly. But it is time for me to go to bed. This is what we have for day 1. And we'll continue tomorrow. Hey. Oh, good morning. Let's get to work on these ruffles, shall we?
The cakes of wrath.
Ruffle tops are gonna be the death of me. No, they just take so long. 5 rows in out of 8, so like, you know, we're over halfway. It's just taking a really long time. I've been sitting here and watched Zach's vlog where he went and saw some crochet art fashion stuff, and I'm watching Anna Callahan's video about the best yarns for summer knitting and crocheting. And then yeah, we're gonna leave soon. We're gonna go to a food place. Surprise, surprise. I need you guys to understand how big this pancake is, okay? This is crazy. Guys, we have plans. We have plans, and the plans are... Shut up. The plans are being put into motion. It's a computer for sure.
Your monitor.
Oh yeah. So guys, my plans are to change my computer setup from a 1 monitor setup to a 2 monitor setup. I've been thinking about it for a while and it would just be like convenient for multiple reasons. It was a last minute thing. I've been thinking about it for a while, but today while we were out, we were just going by Best Buy and I was like, why don't we stop and get a monitor? So we did, and I want to set it up. I think that the main reason that I wanted to do this was live streaming. It just makes live streaming much easier, especially if I'm going to start live streaming games, because I want to start playing games on my second channel, Passionate Plays, which I have some content recorded. It's getting ready. I'm gonna start posting on Saturdays. If you're interested, go subscribe. Anyway, this is my current setup. You guys don't really get to see this side often, but you know, this is my main monitor. That's my label printer. I have this mic that I can like swing forward and put behind whenever I'm not using it. And I have a lamp, my calendar stuff. So like my main plan is to put the second monitor right here in this little corner area. But the thing is, this lamp is in the way. So I bought myself a new lamp, one that doesn't hang over. We're gonna set that up in the corner, and then I'm gonna move all of this stuff out of the way, probably put it over here, and then we will set up my second monitor. Yay. Okay, right. Okay, let's see. That is so freaking dusty. Okay. Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Dust the bottom of your lamps, I guess. Here's the new lamp that I got. We're still sticking with the cheap Walmart mainstays lamps. You put a light bulb in it, it works. I don't care. Speaking of light bulbs, I wonder if this comes with a light bulb. I don't think this comes with a light bulb. I don't think I have any light bulbs. I mean, obviously I have the light bulb that was in the lamp, but like this one has 2. This one has 2. Brilliant. How's your day going? Yeah. Now, let's put it back where the other one was. What a beaut. I need some light bulbs. Now for some reorganization. This is like a desk. Monitor will go there. Here we are. Sir, I think here's the final get up. I have it in vertical mode, so maybe I can read live chat better. I don't know. I can always turn it back the other way. Now I just need a light bulb. It is so much darker in here without the bent over lamp. It made so much more light, especially because it's shown on my desk, which then like reflected back, whatever. Okay guys, now that that's all done, my plan is to finish this ruffle top. We have about 2 more rows left on the ruffle, and then after that we'll have to start the sneak a peek top. We're gonna finish the ruffle top tonight. Yes, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna be moving to my couch so I can watch TV and get it done. Done. Finished. Done. Hey, so last night you saw we finished our ruffle top, which is great. I also got started on the sneak peek top. I didn't think I was gonna get much done, so I actually didn't film it, but I ended up getting quite a bit done, I think. Yeah, we got pretty much the whole top area finished. So we can get the rest of this done very promptly, swiftly. I'm gonna do that. Our sneak peek top is officially finished. Here it is. Ta-da, beautiful. I'm gonna set it down with our ruffle top. Next, we need to make the lily top, also black, and that will be everything for this order. Great. The sneak peek top didn't take very long. I don't think the lily top is gonna take very long either, so we should be able to move on to the next order afterwards. Cup 1, lunch. Why are you sideways? Oh, God. Look. It's done. Wonderful. Lovely. Fantastic. That's it for our order. It took the whole vlog, basically. Okay. The next thing that we need to make, the next order on our list, is 2 black sparkly scrunchies. Just got the yarn for that, so we shall make. That's 2 black sparkly scrunchies. Done. The next order on our list is 4 mystery scrunchies. So yeah, let's make 4 scrunchies. See you. That's 4 mystery scrunchies done. The next order on our list is 2 lilac scrunchies and a mesh bag. I think I'm gonna just get started on the mesh bag tonight. We're not gonna finish it. It's already 10 o'clock. I'm just gonna crochet until I get really tired and then we'll go to bed. Not bad for about 45 minutes or so, but I must sleep. Hi girlies. What's up? What is up? We are going to pack the orders that we made and we're gonna call it a day. A vlog. It's been multiple days. Alright guys, that is gonna be the end of this vlog. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want more content from me. Stay tuned for more videos. I sell my Passionate merch if you're interested. You can find that in the video description. I also have a PO box if you'd like to send me mail. That's also in the video description. You should subscribe to my second channel where I play games. And that's all. So, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!